Guys, we just received some important news for Amazon, and online arbitrage is probably over, at least on Amazon, and we are going to need to find a way to transition. And we are going to talk about everything that is going on, everything that we received in the email that you may have received in your inbox today, because a lot of things are changing and it is going to make online arbitrage impossible. And we are going to need to transition, and I'm going to transition my business to something else that we are going to talk about toward the end of this video, and this channel is going to transition as well, and I hope that you guys are going to support me into this new journey. So we received an email this morning, and check your inbox to make sure that you seen it if you want all the informations. We received an email from Amazon saying that, and it's only if you've been selling premium, you will have received this only if you've been selling premium sports brand, right? Such as Nike, Adidas, Under Armour, and all those brands, right? So we received an email saying all this, and you know what? Before we actually get deeper into the video, let me introduce myself, because I understand that there's a lot of you guys that may not know who I am. My name is Mangunza. I'm an Amazon seller. I mean, maybe I was an Amazon seller. I've been selling for a couple of years, and I've been doing multiple six figures in sales, high six figures, and it's probably the end for Amazon for everybody. Okay, so I would have said, usually I would have said, if you wanted to learn more about selling on Amazon and all that stuff, subscribe to this video, like this video, so you get to learn more about all this. But yeah, it's probably the end. So yeah, still subscribe if you want to support me into my new journey, and if you want to actually see I'm going to transition my Amazon business. So in the email that we all received this morning, and if you haven't received it, actually it's bad news, because it means that worse things are going to happen to your account. In the email that we received, Amazon pretty much said that the brands Nike, Adidas, Under Armour, and Puma, and New Balance, and other sports brands as well, but are getting restricted on Amazon, which means that we will not be able to actually request approval for those brands. And it already started happening with a few brands a couple of weeks back, you know, with Kiehl's, with Clinic, with all the OTC brands. The OTC category, by the way, is done, and we are going to talk about that, because the OTC category is closing. That's it. The whole category is closing. But yeah, for sports brands, for premium sports brands, the only brand that we have left is Skechers. But even, like, you remember, I don't know if you remember how Under Armour was, where there was a lot of products that were actually restricted, but there was a lot of products that we could sell as well. So Skechers is getting close to this, but there's no way in hell that I'm becoming a Skechers seller, okay? No way in hell that I start selling Skechers, okay? Skechers are ugly, okay? If you are from my generation, we do not like Skechers. Skechers became hype somehow, I do not know how, like they had a collaboration with One Piece, all that stuff, it became hype. I'm not selling some Skechers, okay? There's no way I'm becoming a Skechers seller, okay? I'd rather do something else, all right? But yeah, so if you want to keep selling stuff like this, it's going to be Skechers. And it's pretty much the only sports brand, clothing brands that we will be able to sell. So not only online arbitrage is done, but retail arbitrage is done with all this stuff. Okay, that's the first thing. That's when it comes to the premium sports brands. It's done, guys. You're not going to be able to sell Nike anymore. So all of you guys selling Nike shoes, all that stuff, it's done. Okay, like forget about it. Forget about it, it's done. Like your business is done. If this is the way, you're going to need to transition your business. Second big news. The beauty category is getting shut down, just like OTC did with the victims. Okay, so OTC, it was almost all getting restricted, but right now it's 100% done. Okay, so OTC, you can forget about it. And for the beauty category, it's the exact same thing. This is what they said in the email. In the email, they said that it's over. Okay, the beauty category is getting restricted. Amazon is getting direct brand account with the brand. So it's over. It is pretty much over, right? And let me just do this, boom, because I'm going to tell you what I'm going to transition my business into right now. But yeah, so the beauty category is done. Okay, just like it's done with the OTC category. It's done, and the most important part of all this, the most important part, is that the low inventory level fee. We had more information about the low inventory level fee, and I'm going to detail them to you guys, and you're going to see that Amazon clearly want to eliminate online arbitrage, and it is the end with online arbitrage. So with the low level inventory fee, something was actually added, and it is that whenever you do not have the brand registration in your brand registry, you are going to pay an extra fee to actually replenish your item. So you are going to pay an extra 50 to 75 cents, depending on the product, in extra fee for that specific product if you actually want to replan on that product and sell this product. So you are going to pay this fee upfront whenever you actually replan your product, okay? And so it is definitely going to kill online arbitrage. And you may have just heard something, okay? Because we are going to talk a little bit more about the low inventory level fee and all this stuff. But I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit on how I plan to transition my business and how I plan to transition this YouTube channel as well. And yeah, I don't know if I should say it because it's gonna sound a little weird, but I'm transitioning my channel into a gaming channel, okay? So we're gonna play some Fortnite. This is going to be the first episode, okay? Yeah, this is what I'm going to do. I'm leaving everything to become, and let me just do this. I'm leaving everything to become, leaving everything behind to become a pro gamer, okay? I've been playing Fortnite for quite a while, and I think that I can start making more money than I've been making with Amazon, with Fortnite. So hopefully you guys will support me in this new journey, okay? And yeah, I'm going to show you guys how good I am with Fortnite right now. So let's go. Alright, so yeah, you are not able to see my whole screen because I have an extra wide screen, and so I'm seeing way more stuff that you can see on the left and on the right. But yeah, this is what we are going to do right now. Alright, hopefully it will not take too long for me to start making money with this new venture, right? Because I need to pay my rent, okay? So hopefully it will all work out, and I hope you guys will keep supporting me in this new journey. Alright, so let's see what we can do from here. And I need to... I haven't played Fortnite in a little while, okay? So I need to get used to it back. Here we go. Alright, first kill. Amazing. So it's starting good for my pro gamer journey already. But as I was saying, you know, things are changing as well with what's it called? With the low inventory level fee, right? So we are gonna pay way more money into fees right now, because that's just how it is, okay? Amazon is really trying to kill. Amazon is really trying to kill online arbitrage. They do not want anything to do with online arbitrage because brands are getting pissed off, actually. What is this thing? Let's look at it. Forbidden fruit. Okay, I have no idea what it's doing, but whatever. So yeah, Amazon is really trying to kill online arbitrage. They are really trying to kill online arbitrage. It's probably the end, okay, for us guys. And so we need to find something we can transition into, okay? It is not going to work anymore for us. And yeah, let me just take this. We do not need this. Yeah, it's not going to work for us anymore. Amazon is really trying to kill online arbitrage. It's officially the end. It's not working anymore, and that's it. And I hope that by now you have realized that, you know, it's April 1st, so of course I'm not stopping Amazon. Of course everything that I said is just some bullshit, okay? It's not true, alright? It's not true. All this was just a joke, okay? I'm not transitioning into a gaming channel. And so, yeah, it was just a joke, okay? But, yeah, I hope this video... you found it funny. I hope you did not stress too much. And you know what? Let's just finish this game, okay? So I'm not that good with the keyboard and stuff. So, but what is true though is that I'm going to start streaming a little bit on the channel, and maybe we can play some video games together. We threw the idea around last time we had a live call, and so people were down to do this. So we're probably going to do this, okay? So I'm going to play super aggressive. So you know, so we end this video quickly because I do not want to play all day. Okay, I need to work. All right, and I'm probably going to die right there. Yeah, I'm going to die right there. I'm going to die. Okay, he got killed by somebody else, I guess. Yeah, okay, I died. Okay, yeah, that's it. So yeah, as I said, it was just a joke. Okay, let me return to the lobby. Boom. Let me close the game actually. Because I do not want to play anymore. I need to get to work. Okay, I had to shoot this video early before you guys wake up actually. So and oops, here we go. And yeah, so hopefully you did not stress too much. Okay, it was just a joke. All right, maybe we may get to play some video games. I don't know when we have live calls. We are gonna do it every weekend, starting this week probably. So yeah, hopefully you guys did not stress too much. Do not stress about stuff like this with Amazon. When stuff like things are always changing. Okay, stuff's getting restricted at all time. Fees are increasing all the time, and eventually all those fees are getting transferred to customers get to pay them. Of course, on the short term they may impact you a little bit, but you just need to you know, survive for 1 week, 2 weeks, and then the cost is going to get transferred to customers. Okay, never stress about this stuff. So once again, if you skipped until here in the video, just to let you know, it was a joke. All right, it was a joke. It's April 1st. Make sure to watch the date. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Subscribe, like, do all that YouTube stuff if you want to see more videos from me. And I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.